Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find sound settings on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So I think the easiest way, if you go to the top of the screen and click on this icon, and after that you can see the sound section here. Click on that, and then you can see that the first option is to adjust the volume of your MacBook to the minimum, to the maximum, and of course there is three buttons on your keyboard regarding the adjustment of the volume of your MacBook. You can turn off entirely, or you can lower the volume, or you can higher the volume. And if you go back here, sound, you can click on the sound preferences, and here are some settings. The first is sound effects. Here you can select an alert sound, play sound effects true, and here you can select selected sound output device or MacBook Air speaker. Here alert volume, play sound on startup, play user interface sound effects, play feedback when volume is changed. Alright, after that, the output volume, here you can adjust or you can mute. You can select the show sound in menu bar, so you do not have to go to the settings and so on. So you can have an icon for this in the menu bar, and here you can select only when it's active or always. After that, there is this output section. So here you can see that there is the built-in MacBook Air speaker. Here you can set the balance and the input as well. So these are the settings regarding the sound and volume on your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.